In today's video, I'm going to teach you getting started with Hootsuite Academy from sign up to certification. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Hootsuite Academy. You can type it directly into the address bar or search for it and select the official Hootsuite Academy page. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll typically see options for courses, certifications, and learning paths right on the homepage. This quick scan helps you understand where everything lives before you dive in. Next, sign in or create a Hootsuite Academy account. If you already have one, simply log in. If not, choose the option to create a new account and follow the on-screen prompts. Keep your login details somewhere secure so you can easily return to your progress later. Having an account ensures your modules save, your assessments sync, and your certificates are stored in one convenient place. Now browse the available courses and certifications. Think about your current goals. Are you looking to learn platform basics, deepen your social strategy, or prove your skills with a credential? Each course page usually includes a description, skill level, estimated time to complete, and whether there's a certificate or exam. Read these details closely so you understand what you'll get and the commitment involved. If filters or categories are available, use them to narrow down topics by level or focus area. When you're ready, choose the training you want to take. Select the course or certification that best matches your needs and click into it. Confirm it covers the skills you're targeting and check the outline to see how the content is organized. Choosing one path to start helps you stay focused. You can always return for additional courses later. If you're undecided, begin with a foundational option to build confidence before tackling advanced material. Start the lessons and work through the modules one by one. Watch the videos, read any supporting materials, and complete embedded activities or quizzes as they appear. Pace yourself and take brief notes on key takeaways or terms you'll need to remember. Many learners find it helpful to set small goals, like completing 1 or 2 modules per session. If you need to pause, your progress should save automatically so you can pick up right where you left off. Finally, if your course includes an exam or certificate, take the exam or download the certificate upon completion. Follow the instructions on the course page to begin the assessment and review your notes beforehand. After you pass, look for the certificate download or share option and save a copy for your records. That's it. Your learning path is set and your achievement is ready to showcase.